A reliable emergency tool can make all the difference when you're stuck with a flat tire or a dead battery. Instead of filling your trunk with separate gadgets, wouldn't it be easier to carry one device that handles multiple jobs? That's the idea behind the Arzin STP12. It combines a portable tire inflator, jump starter, USB power bank, and LED flashlight into one compact package designed for everyday drivers, campers, and road trip enthusiasts alike. In this review, we'll see how it performs in real-world use and whether it's worth keeping in your vehicle. Right out of the box, the STP12 comes with everything needed to start using it. Alongside the main unit, you get a pair of heavy-duty jumper cables, several inflation adapters for different types of valves, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a storage pouch, and a user manual. The included carrying pouch is a welcome addition because it keeps every accessory together instead of scattered around the trunk. Our only small complaint is that the charging cable could have been a little longer, but that's hardly a deal breaker. The first thing we noticed after picking it up was the build quality. It feels solid without being overly heavy. At around 1.6 pounds, it's compact enough to fit in a glove compartment, under a seat, or inside a camping gear box without taking up much room. The front panel features a bright digital display with clearly marked buttons, making navigation simple, even if you're using it for the first time. Around the sides are the USB ports, air hose connection, and charging input, all placed in logical locations. For most people, the air compressor will probably be the feature that gets used most often. Maintaining proper tire pressure isn't just about avoiding a flat tire. Correct inflation improves fuel efficiency, helps tires wear more evenly, and keeps your vehicle handling the way it should. The STP12 delivers up to 150 psi, making it suitable for cars, SUVs, bicycles, and many types of camping equipment. Arzin says it can inflate a completely flat 15-inch car tire from 0 to 36 psi in roughly 5 minutes. While few people will need to fill a tire from empty on a regular basis, topping off tires after seasonal temperature changes or before a road trip is far more common. And that's where this compressor feels right at home. The motor sounds strong during operation, and the internal metal construction gives it a more durable feel than many lightweight plastic inflators. One feature we found especially useful is the preset inflation modes. Instead of entering settings every time, you can simply choose the appropriate mode for a car, SUV, bicycle, making the process much quicker. The automatic shutoff is another practical feature. Simply set your desired pressure, start the compressor, and it stops automatically once that pressure is reached. It removes the guesswork and helps prevent overinflation. Throughout our testing, pressure readings remained accurate and the automatic stop function worked consistently. The dead battery has a habit of showing up at the worst possible time. Whether you're leaving for work, packing up after camping, or parked somewhere with no help nearby. The STP12 includes a built-in jump starter capable of delivering 1,200 peak amps. According to Arzin, that's enough to start gasoline engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 5 liters, covering most passenger cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, and many adventure vehicles. In our testing, the jump start process was quick and straightforward. After connecting the included cables correctly, the engine started almost immediately. One of the biggest advantages of portable jump starters like this is independence. Instead of relying on another vehicle or carrying long jumper cables, everything you need is already inside your own car. For anyone who regularly travels long distances or enjoys outdoor adventures, that's a feature that's easy to appreciate. The STP12 doesn't try to overwhelm users with complicated menus. Its digital display clearly shows current pressure, target pressure, battery level, and operating mode. Even in bright daylight, the screen remains easy to read, and navigating through different functions takes only a few button presses. That's exactly how an emergency tool should work. Besides inflating tires and jump-starting vehicles, the STP12 also works as a portable USB power bank. It's not meant to replace a high-capacity battery pack, but it's more than capable of charging a smartphone, GPS unit, camping light, or other small USB-powered devices when needed. Another feature that often proves useful is the built-in LED flashlight. Whether you're checking tire pressure after dark, connecting jumper cables at night, or searching through gear at your campsite, having a bright light built into the same device is surprisingly convenient. It also offers multiple lighting modes, including an SOS signal that could be valuable during roadside emergencies. Hopefully, you'll never have to use it, but it's reassuring to know it's available. After spending time with the Arzin STP12, it's easy to see why products like this have become so popular. The tire inflator performs quickly and accurately. The jump starter provides enough power for most everyday vehicles, and the additional features like USB charging and the integrated flashlight add real usefulness rather than simply padding out the specification sheet. It's also compact enough to stay inside your vehicle year-round without getting in the way. The only thing we'd like to see improved is a longer charging cable. Other than that, there wasn't much to criticize. If the STP12 remains around the $150 price range, it offers a practical combination of tools that could easily replace several separate devices. Whether you commute every day, enjoy weekend camping trips, spend time off-road, or simply like being prepared, this is one of those products you hope you never have to rely on. But if the situation comes up, you'll be glad it's within reach. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Arzin STP12, leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.